How to correct a rolled curb entry. Rolled curb entries are common in many modern neighborhoods. If you have a rolled curb, just entering and exiting your driveway can be harmful to your vehicle. Here are 5 key problems caused by rolled curbs that BRIDJIT curb ramps can correct. Undercarriage contact. Low vehicles are prone to catching and scraping their undercarriage on the entry of a rolled curb. Vehicle stability control warnings. Sudden jolts from curbs can trigger stability control warnings, causing performance and safety issues. Tire and suspension wear. Constant impacts will cause premature wear and tear on your tires and suspension. Lower front bumper damage. Low front bumpers or air dams are easily scraped or cracked when crossing rolled curbs. Less comfort and accessibility. Jolting driveway entries can make entry uncomfortable, especially for those with health or mobility concerns. If you're looking for the best way to avoid all these problems and save money on potential repairs, install a BRIDJIT curb ramp. Learn more about the benefits of BRIDJIT curb ramps by following the link in the description.